I want you to show me how to get to know.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I don't have a lot of makeup going on. I do have my brows and some foundation on, but today we're actually going to be trying out the chocolate gold collection from Too Faced. I want to try it out for the first time with you guys, so here's like a little Ulta bag, and yeah, we're going to be doing our eyeshadow, bronzer, highlight, and lips. So let's get into the video. Also, don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below any video suggestions, and hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every single time I upload. Okay, yeah, I guess that's it. Let's go. Alright, so let's kind of get into the bag, show you guys what I got. So, first thing that we got, it is the Too Faced Metal Gold liquid, no, it's not a liquid lipstick, liquefied gold lip gloss. So it's just a lip gloss, and it is in the shade Pure Gold, and this is what it looks like. So that's obviously going to go on our lips. Next up, we have the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and this is eyeshadows, obviously. Let's see. Ooh, I love the packaging. And this is what the packaging looks like. It looks bomb. And these are what the eyeshadows look like. Not sure what shades we're going to use yet, but we'll figure it out together. I got two more things. I got the Chocolate Gold Soleil Longwear Gilded Bronzer. So it's a little bronzer in the color Luminous, and I love the packaging for this. It looks like this. That's so pretty. Love it. And then we also got the Too Faced Pure Gold Ultra Fine Face and Body Glitter infused with real gold, and this is just a gold pigment. Alright, so those are sort of the things that I got from the Too Faced Chocolate Gold collection. I think that's all they had. I'm pretty sure that's all they had. So let's get started with eyeshadow. Okay, so for today's look, I think I'm gonna go with a pinky kind of look. Nothing very dramatic. I think I'll do another video using this palette with a more kind of going out dramatic type of look. But since I do want to use that gold lip, I don't want to go all out. So I'm going to start off with the shade So Bougie, and this is kind of a beige, pinky, like with pinky undertones type of transition color. I'm just going to place this. I'm sorry you guys, it's really early and I cannot speak. I'm going to place this all over the crease area, just to kind of create a little bit of definition and to make all my other eyeshadows kind of blend more easily. So we're going to put this all over our crease. This is a very pretty color, actually. And again, this is the first time that I try this palette. You guys, it's so early, I even sound weird. Oh my god. Okay. Let's continue. Oh, I really, really like this eyeshadow. It's very, very pretty. Transition shade. It's not too pink, it's not too orange, it's just right in the middle. Really like it. And I just apply that with a big fluffy brush. Wow, I'm like really in love with this. Awesome. Okay, now I'm going in with a different type of brush. This is a more like tapered and pointy brush. This is the E45 from Sigma, and I'm going in with the color Cocoa Truffle. And I'm going to be applying this in the outer corners of my eyes just to kind of deepen out those corners, create kind of a little bit of smokiness and darkness. Not really smokiness, but just to kind of define where my outer corner is. I don't know, this is just how I do my makeup, you guys. I don't really know how to explain it, but this is just what I do. I'm kind of just intensifying it. Wow, these colors blend really nicely, I will say that, and I have no fallout actually at all, so whew, that's awesome. So no fallout so far. Kind of just going back in with my transition color a little bit just to blend it out a tad more so we don't have any like harsh lines. Okay. Okay, next up I'm going in with the shade Classy and Sassy. I think that's what it's called. Let me look again. Classy and Sassy. And this is a really pretty kind of a bright pink shadow. Sorry, you guys. Ooh, that's actually really pretty. I don't know if you guys can tell how pretty that is. This palette also, just for FYI, it's a very shimmery palette. So if you do tend to go more for mattes, then I would say to kind of skip this palette because it only has 4 matte shades in total, and then everything else is like shimmer. I tend to prefer matte eyeshadows, but sometimes I like to have fun, and sometimes I like to use shimmer, so they're pretty. Again, I've had no fallout. I don't know if you guys can tell, but no fallout so far. And I am using kind of a shimmery eyeshadow, so that's pretty great. I'm going to go in and intensify my lash line just a little bit with that truffle, what was it called? Cocoa Truffle shade. And I'm just going to kind of intensify it just a tiny bit. Okay, so after doing that, I did get a little bit of fallout around this area. But considering all I did, it's not that much. So I don't know if you guys can tell. So I did get a little bit of fallout. Okay, so I'm kind of done with my eye look. I didn't do anything too crazy. I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes with my matte liquid liner from NYX. I'm just going to do a tiny little wing. And yeah, that's about it. So I always start off my liner from the middle of my eyeball. I don't know why I do this. I just do. And then I kind of continue it a little bit. And that is how I do my liner. Okay, so liner is on. I'm just going to go put a few coats of mascara and then I will be back. Alright, so now that I have mascara going on, I did go ahead and lined my waterline just with like a brown pencil liner. So nothing special. If you just have a brown liner, you can just go ahead and line that. Oh my god, I talk so much. Okay, so now I'm going in again with Cocoa Truffle with the palette. In the palette. And I'm just going to smoke. Oh my god, I can't speak. I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. Also, something else I'm going to say. Sometimes the eyeshadow will get in my mouth and it tastes so good. It literally tastes like chocolate. It's so good. I'm going to go in a little bit with Classy Sassy. Right in the middle. Just to add a little bit of shimmer there. And yeah, that's kind of pretty much it. I'm going to do some more mascara on my lower lashes and a few more on my upper ones as well. I'm going to also put a little bit of highlight, and I'm going to use Rolling in Dough. I love these names. These names are so much fun. Oh my god, are my lower lash lines like too much? I don't know. My eyes look really dark. Okay, so I'm just going to apply a little bit of highlight. Ooh, this is pretty. I like this one. Just to clean it up a little bit, and we are done with our eyeshadow. Alright, we're going to go ahead and move on to bronzer, and I'm going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil in the shade, I don't know, Luminous. So, I really love the packaging as well. Look how pretty this is. And it has a heart. Ooh, it's pretty. How do I open this thing? Okay. Okay, I opened it. Oh my god. This is beautiful. Okay, this is beautiful, you guys. This is what it looks like. It says chocolate gold engraved in the product, so I'm kind of upset that I'm gonna have to ruin that. So I'm sorry, Too Faced. I have to ruin this. And I'm just gonna put that wherever I wanna. Ooh. Okay, that was more pigmented than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, it is pretty though. This is my perfect bronzer for me because it's not too orangey, but it's not too ashy. And in the pan, you can see a ton of glitter, but on your skin, you can't really tell how much glitter it has. It just looks kind of like dewy. Oh, this is pretty, you guys. Can you guys tell how pretty this highlight is? I mean, bronzer. Ooh, this is easily, you guys, gonna become my favorite bronzer. That is pretty. Didn't that just add so much, like, warmth to my face and so much, like, dimension? It looks so nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put on my own blush because the collection did not come with blush. So I'm just gonna use my trusty handy dandy blush in Feisty by Tarte, and this is just kind of like my go-to blush nowadays. Just gonna apply a little bit, and we are good to go. Okay, so for highlight, we're gonna go in with the Pure Gold pigment. This says real gold is infused in this ultra fine loose glitter for a buildable formula that can be used as a highlighter, eyeshadow on lips, or anywhere else you want to create a high impact sparkling gold finish. So basically it's a pigment. You can use it on your lips as an eyeshadow, I would say with some like Fix Plus probably, or as a highlight. Since I already have eyeshadow going on and I do not want to ruin that, I'm just going to go ahead and use it as my highlight. So this is what it looks like. Oh, that's really smart. So it comes with a little kind of cap. That's actually really smart. Okay, so I'm going to pour a little bit of the pigment into the cap. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to do this off camera. I'm sorry. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my highlight brush, and I have product there. And I'm just going to go in, you guys. I'm going to Ooh. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Ooh. Going everywhere. Can you guys tell? Okay, you guys, can we just like take it in for a moment how pretty this highlight is? It is so gorgeous. I am dying. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, I totally recommend that little pigment. That was amazing. Okay, so now we're gonna try out the gold medal. I'm not so excited about this, you guys, because it's gloss and I don't do gloss. I only do like lipstick or liquid lipsticks. Very rare for me to like a gloss, so we'll see. Oh, it's pigmented. Okay, and this is what packaging looks like. Okay. Oh, and I do have a little bit of lip liner. I have my Strip Down by MAC, which I wear every day of my life. Oh my god. Are you guys seeing this? Alright, so I don't know if you guys can tell how crazy pigmented this liquid, what is it, lip gloss is. It's amazing. It's really, really pretty. Now, I will say it's not something that I would wear on an everyday basis because it's kind of a statement, and I probably would not be pairing it with these eyes either. But other than that, it is a really pretty. Let me go ahead and take my ears off now that I'm done with my makeup. So overall, I am really, really happy with the Too Faced Chocolate Gold collection. It is so beautiful. I think from everything, my favorite was the bronzer and the highlight. These two are amazing. The shadows are great too, but like I said, if you're not really a shimmery type of person, then the palette is probably not for you since most of it is shimmer. That being said, it's still a great palette. The shadows are beautiful and I really, really like it. I'm so excited to do more videos using this palette for you guys, so check them out. Probably next week I'll have way more makeup tutorials using that one. Probably like some green looks and stuff, so I'm excited about that. But I kind of just wanted to go on here and try these products for the first time, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.